Who would have find worth holding entire? With speaking true and with doing right must acquire it, with giving enough that where there is need and fire. For through being worth is a man worthy in a tear. Though 100 think themselves worthy in a blink, who do not know the fare where a man buys worth, I think. Do not think at all that worth comes for nothing free. Many a time it is dearly bought, but the wicked ones, they buy not a penny's worth of it. See, before they are there, they are weary of the half-day's journey. By giving, spending, by making pleasures unending, worth is gathered in its degree, and wickedness by taking without mending. Great pride it is and great unknowing's disgrace, when a man feigns courtly and makes no bearing of that face. There where mercy makes no fruit, nor seed's own place, and no good in him takes its birth and race. Little sense has he, who for nothing you see, thinks himself of worth's own race, and makes no building there to be a building he makes, and valor walled around that man who draws near to worth and stays on that ground, whom truth pleases and mercy and right profound, and here and there follows reason in measures bound. But there is such grief among folk beyond belief that they have no care for that for which worth goes down in its feet. Worth goes down and falls every day anew, and deceit rises and grows and multiplies too.